The world of artificial intelligence is buzzing with excitement. Two companies, DeepSeek and OpenAI, stand out. They capture our imagination with their innovative technologies and ambitious goals. DeepSeek and OpenAI are major players in the AI revolution. They are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Their work is shaping the future. These companies are different, yet similar. They both want to create AI that benefits humanity. However, their approaches and areas of focus set them apart. This essay explores the fascinating world of DeepSeek and OpenAI. We'll compare their missions, technologies, and impact. Let's dive in. DeepSeek and OpenAI share a common goal: advancing AI for the greater good. However, their missions are distinct. DeepSeek focuses on AI for discovery. They aim to use AI to unlock the secrets of the universe, from the depths of space to the complexities of the human brain. OpenAI, on the other hand, champions AI for humanity. They envision a future where AI empowers everyone and tackles global challenges. These different missions guide their research and development. Despite their different paths, both organizations are driven by a shared ambition. They want to create AI that is safe, beneficial, and accessible to all. This shared goal unites them in the pursuit of a future where AI makes the world a better place. DeepSeek is a pioneer in developing advanced AI for scientific discovery. Their work spans several fields, including astronomy, medicine, and climate science. DeepSeek's strength lies in its ability to analyze massive datasets, identify patterns, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. One of DeepSeek's notable innovations is its cosmic engine. This powerful AI system analyzes astronomical data to identify new celestial objects and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Another groundbreaking development is their genomic seer, which helps researchers understand complex genetic data and accelerate drug discovery. DeepSeek's commitment to open science is also commendable. They make their research and tools accessible to the scientific community, fostering collaboration and advancing the field of AI for good. OpenAI is renowned for its cutting-edge research and development in artificial general intelligence. AGI refers to AI systems with human-like cognitive abilities, capable of performing a wide range of tasks. OpenAI's work has garnered significant attention for its potential to revolutionize various industries. One of OpenAI's most notable creations is GPT-4, a powerful language model that can generate human-quality text, translate languages, and answer questions in an informative way. Another groundbreaking innovation is DALL-E 2, an AI system that can create realistic images and art from textual descriptions, pushing the boundaries of AI creativity. OpenAI's commitment to safety and ethics in AI is also noteworthy. They prioritize research on AI alignment, ensuring that AI systems are aligned with human values and goals. OpenAI's work is instrumental in shaping the responsible development and deployment of AGI.